Hi, we're so excited you're here to join us for the beauty room party. It's all online, super fun, super fast. It's 24 hours. The party ends tomorrow night at midnight. So all you gotta do is relax, put your comfy clothes on, put your feet up, watch some videos and learn. We're gonna share with you all kinds of tips, techniques, all the different ways of using the SeneGence products. And don't worry, if you are not a lip girl, lip sense isn't your favorite thing, don't worry because we have a whole line of other color cosmetics, mascaras, tinted moisturizers, lip balms, including a whole line of anti-aging skincare too. So we have something for everyone. You're gonna enjoy the party. It's super easy to order. All you do is message your distributor who invited you here to the party and let them know the products that you're interested in. Let's talk about Lip Sense. Lip Sense is our premier product. It's like, we call it a wow product because who doesn't want lip color that stays on all day? Lip Sense consists of 3 products in a collection. You have your lip color, and we have probably 60, 70 shades right now of lip color. You have the moisturizer. This is a shea butter and vitamin E moisturizing gloss that goes on top of the color that keeps it on so it doesn't come off. And then there's an oops remover. Now the remover is to clean up mistakes. When you first start using the product, sometimes you might color outside the lines a little. That's where you use your remover to gently wipe it off. But it's also a really great way at the end of the day, apply it all over your lips, rub your lips together, and it starts to dissolve the waterproof bond. Say that 10 times fast. The waterproof bond of your lip color. So 3 products. This is called a Lip Sense collection. It's perfect for starting out. Usually what I recommend is pick a light color and a dark color that can be worn separately or together, and that creates even more shades of Lip Sense to choose from. Pick a gloss. I would probably pick a couple, so you have one in your purse, one in your bathroom, maybe even one in your car, so at all times you have a moisturizer with you. And then 1 oops is plenty. It should last you 4 years. If you run out of it sooner, we should probably talk about your application. So that's Lip Sense. The other thing that is so amazing is all the products in our entire line come with a money-back guarantee. We want you to love these products so much that you tell all your friends as well. So if for any reason you get a product and the color isn't quite what you wanted, or it doesn't do what you expected it to do, or for any reason that you don't like the product, make sure you contact your distributor. We have a full money-back guarantee, so we can either refund you or we can exchange it for another product or another color or something else that you would prefer better. We want to make sure you love the products you use with SeneGence because the way we grow our business is by your referrals. So we appreciate the time you're taking to join us for this party, and we hope you will then share these great products with all of your friends. The other thing I love about SeneGence is our patented anti-aging skincare formula called Cineplex Complex. It's in all of our cream products. It's in the cleansers, moisturizers, foundation, eyeshadows, everything that's creamy. It protects you from the sun. It also is anti-aging. It is called Cineplex Complex, and it's a kinetic enzyme that rushes your skin cells to the surface 23% faster. It's amazing. You will see a difference in your skin in such a short amount of time. So we're really glad you're here to join us for the party. There are a lot of things we want to share with you. Again, the party's going to go really fast. It closes tomorrow night at midnight. So make sure you watch the videos, comment on things that you're interested in, and then message your distributor, and we will take care of you and get an order together for you so you can take advantage of all the great specials we have going. Thanks for tuning in. Comment below with something you've learned. What have you just discovered that maybe you didn't know about SeneGence before?